Turning now to the race for a vaccine against COVID-19 and another company tapping the brakes on one of its vaccine trials. I spoke earlier with Dr. Imran Ali. Dr. Ali, good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's get to the big development, the race for a vaccine. Another big trial in the fight against COVID-19 is being put on hold. This time, Eli Lilly has paused its trial of an antibody treatment due to safety concerns. What do we know and how much of a setback could this be?
So this new drug, which was designed to actually attach to the spike proteins of the virus, is supposed to prevent the virus from getting into the cells. This is very similar to the antibody treatment that President Trump received from Regeneron. Now, the trial that is halted is when the drug, the antibodies, are used with the antiviral drug remdesivir. We have very little knowledge exactly what is the concern at this moment, but we are going to hear in the next couple of days exactly what's causing the problems. But right now, it's in combination with remdesivir. That's the trial that's being halted. The antibody itself is still going on in other trials.
And Dr. Ali, we've been seeing President Trump attending rallies in the past few days, claiming that he now has immunity to the virus. What do you think about his comments? And what would you tell older people who see the president and think that the coronavirus won't be serious for them?
He is immune for a period of time, but we don't know that. But we also want to remember that as we age, the immune system weakens. In young people, so far the studies show that immunity lasts about 3 months or less from a natural infection. Now, vaccination causes a different type of immunity, which could be long-lasting. That's why vaccination is such a priority right now.
And lastly, Dr. Ali, we're getting reports of some hospitals in Midwest and Plain states on the brink. Some are running dangerously low on ICU beds. What do you think about hospital preparedness going into the winter? How much better equipped are we now than we were, say, last spring for a surge in cases?
Well, I can tell you, Mona, working in a hospital, we are much better equipped. In fact, the hospital where I'm working in New York City, we have gurneys already ready. We have the ventilators already stockpiled. So we really learned a lesson. We have the equipment, but the question is the manpower to, staff this equipment. We really still need to have the staff to monitor, to take care of these patients.
Our thanks to Dr. Ali.